See? Pockets.
I'm going to talk about how I made this dress. I used the quick sew pattern thinking it would be easy. Quick sew, I thought, was the easy brand, and that is not true. That is not true. First of all, this pattern had many pieces, more than I was ready for. This was my favorite moment when I sewed the top.
80s popped collar.
And I really wanted an 80s pop collar on a cow shirt, and so I just did not follow the rules or the pattern, and I ended up with it. And I wish I could say I planned it and I calculated it. No, I just was sloppy and ended up with a popped collar that's kind of messy but does the aesthetic I want.
See? Pockets.
I don't like pockets. I try to avoid pockets. Hardest thing with this dress was the pockets. I don't know if you can tell, but if you look really closely, you can tell that I sewed the pockets inside out. And in fact, I sewed them shut. I did opposite. I did it opposite. So I had to go back, take apart the side seams and the top, and redo the pockets. And it took me at least a week because I was very upset and frustrated. And I remember this other sewing blogger said, if you ever get really upset or tired, just stop. And I was like, I have to stop. As soon as I started getting really upset, I would put it down. I'm really excited with it. I made a bandana for my dog. She hates it. She won't do it. She does not want to be a model. She wants to live her dog life and no bandana. But isn't she so cute? Yes. So this is my cowgirl dress with a singing cowgirls fabric. I just love the fabric. I got it on Etsy. I know everyone hates Etsy right now, but I found it there and I bought it. Okay. Well, I'm really proud of this dress. It has flaws, but they're my flaws and I made it and I like it.